Honestly, Kling AI is overhyped. Its default video generation modes are worse than in Runway, for example, as well as its image generation option. But there are a few useful features. In this Kling AI tutorial, I'll show you the best settings to get better videos. First of all, you have to create an account and confirm it. Here is homepage where you can see different options and works published by other users. There are different types of the content generated by others in community section. Image generation option, you can see that there are a few settings here. I'll add previously created prompt. You can use other image as reference, set aspect ratio and number of images. There is no model selection, see FG scale settings, etc. These pictures aren't really bad. But if you want to generate much better images, I recommend to use Flux AI. I have video about it. And AI video generation, I'll use text to video first and prompt will be the same. Video generator here is more flexible than image generation option. You can decide if you want your video to correspond your prompt or leave more space for generator's creativity. Too high values can make your videos worse. Mode defines the quality. You can use Pro mode 5 times on the free account, which is sad, duration, and aspect ratio. Number of videos is locked on 1. There are standard for video generators camera movement options. I'll choose tilt. Negative prompt is optional, but I'll add some words like noise and blur, so probably these things won't appear in my video. Here is my video created with Kling 1.0 model and standard mode. Objects look pretty consistent and realistic, but quality is really low. Pro mode is must-have for good videos. You can see that generation in this case costs 35 credits instead of 10 because of enabling Pro mode. Video quality is better this time. Here are two options, lip sync and extend by 5 seconds. I'll show you lip sync option later. Here are auto extend and custom extend feature. Custom extend allows you to use additional prompt for the new part of the video. I'll use auto extend. You can see that extended video doesn't start warping and there's no problems in the additional part of the video. In extension history, you can see all the prompts you used to create this video. And I'm going to switch to Kling 1.5 model. Camera movement is disabled. Now only Pro mode is available. Video looks really good. Video extension feature is also disabled here. I'll show you how to use lip sync while using image to video option. Here is image to video section. I'll add my image here. It is generated with Flux AI. I don't need prompt I used before. Prompt is optional when you use image to video. You can animate parts of image with motion brush. Kling 1.5 is enabled, so standard mode is unavailable as well as camera movement. Here is the result. Now I'll switch back to Kling 1.0, and in this case I'll use motion brush. You can brush over the objects you want to animate. You can change brush size. I want to control movement of this jellyfish. When area is selected, you can click on this track button and draw the movement direction for the selected object. Also, you can select the area you don't want to be animated. Click confirm to apply these settings. You can see that selected part of the tree doesn't change during video and jellyfish moves in the way I set it. And now I'll select Kling 1.5 and add image with car. Here is it. I won't change any settings. Looks perfect as for me. And now you'll see how look videos created from images with standard mode. Overall quality isn't bad, but there is too much neck rotation. Here you can see end frame feature, so now you have to add to images, starting and ending frames of your video. First image will be bird view of just forest, and second one is landscape with forest and mountains. Motion brush is disabled, camera movement too. And I ran out of free uses of Pro mode, so I'll use standard mode. Quality of the video isn't really good. All the small details of trees became blurry, but camera movement is almost perfect, which makes video look more realistic. Lip sync option, you have to select some of your already created videos with human face. I'll use this one. Here you can see the text-to-speech option, or you can upload voiceover from your device. Enter your text in this area and choose voice.
Hello, this is AI voiceover.
Don't forget to adjust speed.
Hello, this is AI voiceover.
And create lip sync.
Hello, this is AI voiceover.
This speaking woman looks pretty realistic. And in my creative section, you can see all the content created by you. And what about free credits? Here are amount of credits remaining. You can click and see the history of credits usage. You'll get free credits monthly. You can see date when you'll receive next free credits portion by clicking on Purchase Credits. In conclusion, I can say that Kling AI can constantly provide nice results if you use Pro mode. But it isn't worth paying for it because there is runway with wider range of options.